Thermomix Thursday. So what was the winner? Last night I did a post asking you if you wanted Feijoa Ice Cream or Feijoa Bliss Balls. Feijoa Ice Cream won. And so that is what we are making today. My name is Wick Nixon from Wellbeing, and I'm all about health, empowering healthy living for women. My heart is so full. My son is home because he's at Unitech and he does, at different hours. And Briar has got day off today because they've got parent-teacher interviews. And Ollie just said he's taking her out for lunch. And I'm like, oh my gosh, that's so sweet. You know me, I like to share family, just life in general, and just all about making your life easier with the Thermomix being my tool of choice. So this is not a recipe on Cookadoo. So if you are unfamiliar with Cookadoo, then that is our online recipe platform that comes in with the Thermomix, and it gives you access to like thousands of different recipes. I'm going to make this manually because this is my own recipe. If you would like this recipe, then just comment yes please in the comments box below, because Cookadoo has recently just brought out this brand new feature where I can share my recipes and you can import it straight into your Cookadoo account, which then will go into your Thermomix, which is awesome. Now, before we get into it, I want to share with you today, literally starting in half an hour, at 1 p.m, our brand new, never been done before offer is just about to start. And it is, if you purchase a Thermomix, you get to add on the Ovana pizza oven, portable gas pizza oven, for only $29, and it is normally $629. So it is a saving of $600. It's like insane. I've actually got 2 pizza ovens. So lucky. I bought one at Christmas time, and then I earned my second one from being a consultant. If you're looking for a wicked company to join, come and join my team. It is phenomenal. The gifts that you can, the incentives, the company, the people that you meet, it's fantastic. Anyway, so you can add on an Ovana pizza oven for $29 when you purchase a Thermomix, and it's only valid for a week starting today at 1 p.m. Love our pizza oven. It is so fun. It cooks pizzas in like 90 seconds. Crispy, gourmet, just like the bought ones. You make your pizza dough in the Thermomix. Anyway, I know you're here for the ice cream, so let's get on with the ice cream. And it's literally just throw in, I made some desiccated coconut this morning, so I didn't even clean it. So I've just got some frozen Feijoa here, and I just free-flowed it, and just individually, so it wasn't in a big clump. Okay, so I'm just going to chuck that in, and frozen banana, some lime rind. Yum! Absolutely beautiful. I love that limes are coming into season. It's such a key ingredient in this ice cream. This is honestly so easy. Now in here I have got coconut cream, and I use the Cara brand because that's got no additives and preservatives, and some natural unsweetened Greek yogurt. So we're getting a bit of protein in there as well. And then I'm just putting a little bit of vanilla paste in there, just a tiny bit. Okay, and that's all that's going into our Feijoa ice cream. Now I'm going to set it on 10 seconds, and I'm going fast and hard. Okay, so I'm setting it. I'm actually going to speed I can hear that has blended, so we just blended that at turbo power, and look at that. So I'm just going to scrape down the sides, go around to protect the spatula from the blade. We can scrape down. Smells amazing. Lovely. This is beautiful because of all the abundance of Feijoas at the moment. We've got so many falling off our tree. So I'm just going to do that for another 4 seconds. speed 9. And Feijoas freeze really, really well. And so if you just do them individually so that they're not in clumps, they're fantastic to just put into your Thermomix. So honestly, you can keep going. That is smooth as, can you see that? Now I will serve that, that's ready, it's done. I will serve that in a bowl. I'm going to put some cashews on the top because I love a little bit of texture, and some more desiccated coconut. And that's our Feijoa ice cream. Now, if you want this recipe, as I said, if you didn't join me at the beginning, it's my own recipe. I can share it. It's a new feature with Cookadoo that I can share it with you. So if you want it, then just comment yes please in the comments box below, and once I've uploaded it into my Cookadoo, I'll share it with you, and then you can put it into your machine and make it as well. Now don't forget that if you've also just joined me, brand new, like never been offered before, if you buy a Thermomix starting today at 1 o'clock, over the next week you will get the chance to add the Ovana pizza oven for only $29, and it's normally $629. It is insane. If you've already got a Thermomix, tell a friend. It is like, we've got 2 pizza ovens. We use them all the time. They are so much fun. They're healthier. You can make your pizza dough in your Thermomix so much cheaper and just delicious in 90 seconds in this portable pizza oven. If you want to see a video, then just go back on a couple of posts, and my husband did a video of actually him putting it together and cooking a pizza, so you can check that out. But let me know below if you want this recipe for the Feijoa ice cream, and I will share it with you. Thanks so much for joining me, and next week I will be making the Feijoa bliss balls. Okay, see you later. Bye.